this question, it's given that Angelo has X sweets. He eats 5 of this and he puts all the sweets he has left into a bag. Nina has 3 times as many sweets as the number that Angelo put in the bag, and Nina has 39 sweets. Use this information to write an equation in X. So uh, initially we know that Angelo uh, has X sweets, and then he eats 5 of this, so 5 gone, and he puts all the sweets he has left in the bag. So the number of sweets that he puts in the bag is X minus 5. And then Nina has 3 times as many sweets as the number that Angelo put in the bag. So that will be 3 times X minus 5. But now it's given that this number of sweets that Nina has is equal to 39. So basically the equation is 3 into X minus 5 is equals to 39. That is the equation in X. And then part 2 of this question, we are required to solve our equation to find the value of X. So 3 into X minus 5 is equals to 39. We can expand the bracket, so 3x minus 15 is equals to 39. So add 15 on both sides. So you'll have 3x is equal to 54, and then divide by 3. So x will be equal to 18. So, and that will be the solution for that question. In number 6, we have rectangular tiles have width x and height x plus 7. Some of these tiles are used to form a shape, and the shape is 6 tiles wide and 4 tiles high. Okay, so basically what that means is that this will be x plus 7, x plus 7 for each tile, and the width will be x for each tile. All right, so what you're required to do here is to write down expressions in terms of x for the width and the height of this shape. So the width will be x multiplied by 6, which is just 6x, uh, and then the length will be 4 multiplied by x plus 7, which will be 4x plus 28. Okay, and then part B of this question, the width and the height of this shape are equal. So that means that 6x is equal to 4x plus 28. And then the second part of B, we are required to solve this equation. So you can go ahead and solve this equation. So what we have here is that 6x is equal to 4x plus 28. So subtract 4x from both sides. So you'll end up with 2x is equal to 28. And then you can divide by 2 each side. So x will be equal to 14. All right, number 7. Arul has x sweets. Nikos has 4 times as many sweets as Arul. Write down an equation in terms of x for the number of sweets Nikos had. So Nikos has 4 times as many sweets as Arul, so that will be 4x. Now Nikos gave 6 of his sweets to Arul, so which means Arul now has x plus 6, and because Nikos gave 6 sweets, he initially had 4x, but he gave 6 of his sweets to Arul, So the number of sweets that he'll be remaining with will be 4x minus 6. And then now they have same number of sweets, so these are equal, which means x plus 6 will be equal to 4x minus 6, and that will be the required equation. And now what you're required to do in part C is to solve our equation. So the equation is x plus 6 is equals to 4x minus 6. So we can start by subtracting x from both sides. So you have 6 will be equal to 3x minus 6, and then add 6 on both sides, so 12 is equals to 3x, and then you divide by 3, so x will be equal to 4. All right, and the question is find the number of sweets that Arul had. And we know that Arul had initially x number of sweets, so which means he had 4 sweets. Number 8. All right, so cups cost x dollars each, mugs cost x plus $2 each. Write down an equation in terms of x for the total cost of 12 cups and 6 mugs. So a cup cost x dollars each, and a mug costs x plus 2. Now what we want is 12 cups and 6 mugs. That will be 12 x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 2. So this will be the total cost of 12 cups and 6 mugs. All right, and all they want here is just an expression, so we shall just leave our answer as an expression. So, and part B, the total cost of 12 cups and 6 mugs is $57. So, which means 12x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 2 is $57. So, and what's required here is just to solve for x, because x represents the cost of 1 cup. All right, so we'll have 6x plus 12 is equals to 57. And then, collect like terms, you'll have 18x plus 12 is equals to 57. And then subtract 12 on both sides. So 8x will be equal to 45. And then you divide by 18. So x will be equal to 2.5. So which means that each cup costs $2.5.